Hi, my name is Shayla, and I was asked to share with everyone how I find information or financials on a property where they have not been provided by the broker or the real estate agent yet. We're going to use this property as an example, the Pecan Tree Kingston Apartments located at 922 East Brownlee Street in Stark, Florida. What I'm going to do is take this address, copy it, put it into Google, and we find the property address on LoopNet. So we're going to click the LoopNet listing. We already have the OM, but we need more information. So we see the brokerage information on the right-hand side, which is 100units.com. So we're going to go to 100units.com, and we're going to go to their properties for sale. You can search and filter your search out, but right now the property that we're looking for is right at the top, so we're going to click on it. Now, normally all of these additional forms will be locked, and I'll show you an example with a different property. All of these documents are locked other than the offering memorandum. So all you would need to do is simply click on it, sign up for an account, sign the confidentiality agreement, and I would also encourage you to have a copy of the confidentiality agreement, or CA, emailed to you. You need to go to your email and confirm your account. Once you confirm your account, you'll be able to access the documents within the website. So we're going to click on the Kingston Courtyard, which is what we're looking for, and the address does match. And since we have input our information for an account for 100units.com, now we have information to the rent roll, for the rent roll, the survey, the profit and loss, as well as the offering memorandum, which we already had. Now, if there is a location that is not available on LoopNet, here is another way to find that information. We're going to use the 70-unit property at the Vista in Sierra Vista, Arizona. At this time, we do not have the address for the property. We simply go into Google, we'll find the address for the property, which is 1850 East Wilcox Drive. Now, when we search this property, we find that it is on LoopNet, but this property is no longer advertised on LoopNet, so it does not have the financial information. So what you can do is you can go back to Google, and after the property address, we're going to add the words offering memorandum. And here you're able to see that the property is available on marcusmillichap.com. So we're going to click on the property name, and we're able to see the offering memorandum as well as the deal room information. And the same information is needed in order to get these documents and financials from Marcus and Millichap. You just have to enter your email address, sign the confidentiality agreement, and also I'm going to encourage you to have a copy of the confidentiality agreement also sent to you via email. So as you can see now, we have the documentation needed. We have the OM, we have the rent roll, we have the operating statement, and we have their tax bill. And this is one way that you can find information for a property, as well as if you're on another property, looking at a property, and you see that they have multiple properties, you can always go into their properties for sale, find any property that they offer, request the documentation, and then you're able to look at their rent roll and put it into the napkin calculator and see if it is a deal. So this not only provides you with the financial information for properties that you have not been provided the financials for, but it also gives you access to more properties that the brokerage currently has available. Thank you.